Hello and welcome to a new season. My name's Karen and this is a lifestyle channel for mature women in their 50s and beyond. Like many of you, I started coloring my hair when I was younger. So I continued coloring my hair for many years. And now that I'm in my late 60s, I'm thinking that maybe I might want to see what my natural hair looks like. I was really curious about this, and I wanted to find out how the transition could happen. So the first way to accomplish this pretty quickly is to buzz cut your hair. For those of us who are a little more scared to take that option, there's another option that's fairly similar, and that's the Pixie Cut. Pixie Cuts can look young and fresh. They can revitalize your style. They can be easy to take care of, and that just might be a really great option for you. Options that do not include getting your hair other than an occasional trim can include continuing to color, but in a little different way. The first option, it involves stripping out the color from your hair, from your dyed hair, and then re-dyeing it in either a shade or various shades of gray and silver. Another way to do it could be you can use highlights and lowlights to blend in that root line and soften it so that your natural hair color, as it grows out, blends in a little more with the dyed hair. Another way to do this while you're still coloring your hair is to use kind of a disguise method. And in this method, you would part your hair and you would continue to color the hair that shows where your hair is parted, and underneath your part on both sides, you would let your hair grow out naturally. Another option where you continue to use color is to use semi-permanent color. This will give you a color that will wash out in about 28 shampoos, depending on your particular hair and how well it holds color. And it gives you a little bit of a grace period to let your hair grow out, but also it gives you the option to kind of get a peek of what your natural gray or silver hair may look like. Another option for coloring, and this works especially well if you're a blonde, is to use a toner on your hair. Your stylist may be able to recommend a toner that will take some of the yellow or the blonde hair color out of your hair and replace it with more of a silver tone. I am not a professional hairstylist, so I'm not really positive about this, but I did see this mentioned when I was doing my research, so that's another way. So we've had some good options so far. If you're finding value in this video, please consider subscribing, liking, leaving a comment, and sharing this video with your friends who may be interested in it. I appreciate it. The last way that I found to go gray is to just do nothing. Let your hair grow out. People with long hair, I noticed while I was doing my research, sometimes will get it cut a little shorter. If you have a little bit of shorter hair, then it may be about a 2-year process from what I learned. Some tips to remember about this whole journey. First of all, even silver and gray hair is going to need some upkeep. Silver hair can be yellow sometimes. You may need to use a purple shampoo, or get some type of a toner on there to take the yellow cast away. The natural hair color may come along with some different texture that you're not used to. The other thing I found was that there are lots of support groups online. You'll find out all kinds of stories from other women about how they're handling it and what they're doing in their own journeys that maybe have helped you as well. There are also lots of great ways to cover up if you decide to just let it grow out. There are turbans and scarves and headbands, and if you decide to buzz cut your hair, maybe you buy a wig. The last thing is, ladies, you can always re-dye your hair. Maybe try a different color. Maybe if your hair is coming in really silver and you're not ready for that, blonde or a lighter color than what you're used to might be good. It's your hair. Have fun. No matter what path you take, I hope this video has been of some encouragement and value to you. Please remember, you are enough just by being you. Bye. No matter what path you try.